Hi, I'm Beth from Speak IT. Today I'm going to show you how to connect a foot pedal with your Mac so you can use it with the Philips SpeechLive web app. Let's get started.
Log into your typist account on speechlive.com and you'll see in the top right hand corner an icon that looks like a dictaphone that says connect device, and there's a red dot which means there's no device currently connected. Click that and open the PDC wizard. Open the first link, which will open Chrome browser extensions, and it'll open on the Philips device connector page. Click add to Chrome. It'll show you what permissions it will be adding, and click add extension. Once that's installed, click the little cross and you can now go back to your SpeechLive window. Click Next on the PDC wizard, and for step 2 you need to download the Philips Device Connector Native Host Application package, which will go into your Downloads folder. So if you open that up, open the Mac OS folder, which will show you the .pkg file. Double click that to open and follow the instructions to install the host application, including entering any admin passwords if that's what's required, and click Install Software. Once installation is complete, click Close, and that will just remove the installer drive from your Mac. Go back to SpeechLive and click Finish, and SpeechLive will refresh. You can plug in your device and you'll see that it is now connected. You can now adjust the settings by clicking the cog icon, selecting your device, in this case the 2310, and now you can configure the different pedals for how you want them to function. So I prefer my middle button to be play pause, and the right hand side to be forward, and the left hand side to be rewind. Click Save to save those settings, and now you can start dictating by clicking on a dictation ready to be transcribed, and the pedals will now function as you have configured them. You can also use your foot pedal with the pop-out player as well, so then you can transcribe into the program that you usually prefer, whether that's Microsoft Word or something else. You just need to remember to press play first on the dictation, and then your foot pedal will function as expected. You can see that play, pause, forward and rewind is working as normal using the foot pedal.
Your external device is now ready to use with the Philips SpeechLive web app. But if you need any more support, then please raise a ticket by emailing support@speakit.co.uk. If you'd like to discuss any other products with us, then give us a call on 0121 456 7800.